Whenever it comes to trading, spreads are critical, especially whenever it comes to execution. So let's go ahead and talk about why Puprime is definitely the place to go, or let's say to be at, for these executions. So if we go ahead and dive right into the platform, as I have mentioned, you guys, spreads are important. So what exactly sets Puprime apart, say in terms of low spreads? In fact, execution, right? Fast execution. You guys, they are dominating the market. And you guys need to understand, whenever it comes to, say, low spreads, they technically benefit your profitability, especially in fast moving markets. I can't tell you how many times I have got into, say, other platforms and tried to trade something and the spreads are crazy, like way far apart, and it's caused me to lose money. Now, whenever it comes to Puprime, you guys, you don't have to worry about that. So you guys need to understand that these low spreads and quick execution, I mean, they work together. They allow you to be more precise, but not only that, they allow you to become profitable. So you're not being hit with an instant loss right when you jump into your orders, right? So as stated, we got low spreads, right? Fast execution and more profitability. So whenever it comes to, say, comparing Puprimes, the spreads with its competitors, you guys, as I have mentioned, they are top of the market. No one else compares to them at all. You guys need to understand, we're talking about the lowest spreads, as stated, the fastest executions, and the most profit. So this is definitely, in my opinion, what sets Puprime apart from its competitors. So welcome back, you guys. As stated, when trading, every second counts, and so do every pip and spread, as I mentioned. So in today's video, we'll explore how Puprime's low spreads and fast execution times can make a real difference to your trading results. So from Forex to CFDs, Puprime's trading conditions set the bar super high. So let's take a closer look. So if we go ahead and dive right into Puprime's website, I'm gonna highly recommend that you guys dive right into this and check it out, right? A lot of important details, but if you're looking to get started, all you gotta do is go right here to sign up. Use the links down below. You just gotta put in your country of residence, your first name, email, password, and referral code. Very important. You guys can see register, fund, and start trading. So I have already created an account. I'm going to go to a login, and you guys will see right here, pretty easy and simple. All right. Now, once you officially do this, you're going to see that you do have the dashboard. There's a lot of important things here for the dashboard. And I want you guys to understand, you're going to be able to easily deposit right into the website platform. But more importantly, to download, just go right up here and click download. And you guys are going to be able to use the actual, say, interface software, right? Just download it to your computer. Let's continue. So listen, with Puprime's low spreads and fast execution, you are always ahead of the market. So whether you're trading Forex or other assets, you can expect the best conditions for profitability. And do not forget, you guys, like, share, and subscribe for more on how Puprime's trading environment can help you succeed.